If you haven't, then Nirmala Sai will come after you with a freaking chhadi. Just one thing you need to keep in mind. What are your taxes giving you in return? And the answer is jack shit. What? What is this? Come to my house. Okay, flyover ke niche. Yes. It is also tax season, friends. Have you filed your taxes, chat? Yet 2 days to go to give money to this really annoying government. Really annoying. It's very frustrating. No. Tax diya kya be? Diya kya tax? All you high net worth individuals, have you paid your tax? Please tell me you have. If you haven't, then Nirmala Sai will come after you with a freaking chhadi. Yes. Listen, friends, at the beginning of this, I must tell you, around tax season, I see many meltdowns because I have many friends who are earning well, who have worked very hard, whatever, and then it freaking hits them in the face one day. It is actually so because I did CA and commerce and etc. It hits me a little slower. But I know there are people who don't know how taxation works or whatever. Then one day when they're filing their returns, the CA calls and like, "Sir, actually you have to pay like 8 lakh tax this time. Your company has already paid some of it, but actually कुछ बचा है. तुमने FD में इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, उस पे भी टैक्स देना है तुमको." And it blows their mind. I'm seeing many meltdowns everywhere. I see it every year. Someone has gotten a promotion. Yeah, it's not a happy occasion, friends, because ऐसे government, Nirmala Sai ऐसे आता है, and she just like takes like a giant bite out of you. She like, and then she throws it in Bihar. एंड वहां पे एक गंदा सा ब्रिज बन जाता है, राइट, जहाँ पे ऐसे खड्डे भरे हुए थे, ऐसे खड्डे वाला ब्रिज, राइट. या फिर मुंबई में कोई कोस्टल रोड बना देंगे, या फिर धारावी में कोई पैसा दे देगा, या फिर अरे निर्मला ताई हैज अ लॉट ऑफ वेज टू स्पेंड द मनी, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. बट या, इफ यू वांट टू हेट द मोदी गवर्नमेंट फॉर समथिंग, इट इज फॉर दिस. I genuinely believe this. I have always maintained that the only people in this country who actually are doing well are the super rich. Okay, because they have company after company और उनके नाम पे सब कुछ खरीद के वो करते हैं. But तुम साले सैलरीड वाले लोग ना, निर्मला ताई आके ऐसे काट के चबा के ऐसे फिर ऐसे स्पिट आउट करती है तुमको. So like yeah, that one thing. Just one thing you need to keep in mind. What are your taxes giving you in return? And the answer is jack shit. Jack freaking shit. Okay? So I'll tell you one example. मेरे घर के सामने उन्होंने एक खड्डा खोद दिया. When 15-20 days ago, right? उनको कोई लाइन का काम करना था, whatever. And this is 3 months पहले they had already done it. Now they have done it again. Then what happened? Rains, right? So खड्डे में पानी भर गया, भर गया, काम रुक गया. Everybody just, it's like कर ही नहीं सकते कुछ. So then they had to wait for a week more till they can resume work. And तब तक what has happened? Malba which they had dug out and put on the street, it went purr, right? It went all the way. Right, and then अब मेरे घर के सामने some unassuming Swiggy driver, whenever they go, they have to do like a GTA style, ऐसे उड़ के जाना पड़ता है. There is a giant mound in the middle, and they go like burr, and फिर उनका पार्सल गिर जाता है. I have seen that happen at least twice now. And then बेचारे कॉल करके बोल रहे कि हमारी गलती नहीं है, प्लीज हमारी गलती नहीं है. It's really sad, guys. And one of the parcel was mine, so I was kind to this person. I was very kind. The person was very apologetic. I'm like, अरे यार क्या करेंगे? Zomato को बोल दिया, उन्होंने मुझे voucher दे दिया. But yeah, it's bad, guys. It's bad. Yeah, Malviya Nagar is in really bad shape right now. I know. It is. The garbage has gone through the roof. सब जगह खोद के रखा है. It's bizarre. Anyway. Yeah, that I have a lot of ranting to do today. Lot of rant. Like Modi ji is insulted because his mother was insulted. I'm insulted because we are paying so much tax and we are getting jack shit in return. I mean, I guess who has a more valid reason to be feel insulted and angry? I think me, and I think you also. Yes, I think so. I think so. Chat, do you agree? Having finished my rant, other than that, any other life update that I have to give you? No. Just that I have to pay tax. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है बट फिर भी दुखता है फ्रेंड्स, दुखता है, ऐसे दुखता है एवरी टाइम आई हैव टू पे टैक्स, दुखता है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी हम टैक्स तो दे रहे हैं बट स्टिल. Please see flower going through house balcony in Nagpur. Oh yeah, someone was telling me about this. ये क्या है exactly? Like someone told me about this bizarre construction. Like look at this. What is this? I was about to watch this also. By the way, in case you don't know, there are like these amazing journalists coming out of Nagpur who completely focus on infrastructure now.
So, you know, there is a flyover which is passing through a house in Nagpur. It sounds
Holy
bizarre,
shit!
right? But it is actually behind me if you don't believe it. The Ashok Chowk flyover has cut straight through a 2-story home. Concrete
What?
pillars, heavy machinery and a highway in the making right in the middle of where a family is supposed to live. Now the big question over here is that who is going to take responsibility if something fatal happens over here? If tomorrow there's a collapse, if debris falls,
What
if
is
lives are
this?
lost,
What is this? Oh my god.
collapse, if debris falls, if lives are lost, who is
Come to my house. Okay, flyover ke niche. Yes.
going to be answerable for this bizarre construction? And more importantly, how was this design ever approved at the first place? Who signed
That's
off
true.
on a plan where development and danger are going hand in hand? Was there no survey, no foresight, no thought about people who are already living in this house? Let me also tell you that this flyover is being constructed by the NHAI.
अरे
So you know this
गडकरी जी डायरेक्टली कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है. वाह वाह वाह, मजेदार.
This is not just about one house.
मजेदार.
This is about accountability, planning, and the safety of
दिल्ली से
citizens.
बन रहा है flyover.
Development cannot and should not come at the cost of human lives. What do you have to say about this? Let me know in the comments below.
What I have to say about this is bullshit. This is what the actual F is going on here. Patre cycle stores. There is a cycle stores niche and there is a flyover going right in the middle of the balcony. Amazing. So if a car passes now from here, right here, it is technically going through your house. क्या मजेदार है. This is like amazing. This is so I think they have been inspired by China. Yeah, there are actually buildings in China जिसके बीच में से ऐसे ट्रेन घुस के जाता है. Yeah. There are buildings built around the train, like shopping centers. Yada. अभी हम we are getting there. We are getting there, friends. We are getting there. Lovely stuff happening.